Welcome back to Kelvin Joseph Comedy News. Making our headline news this evening. Women excited about product that is here to stay. Superman walks into a burning building and saves the day. Stay tuned for further details on Kelvin Joseph Comedy News.
Breaking news! Breaking news! Two cars collided on the highway and we are here to get a live witness report on what happened. Sir, you were here on the scene when all this went down. Tell us, sir, what happened?
Whitey that was overtaking coming down the direction to go to Falmouth, while he then occurred on the red which was
Something alright.
going up. He then ride along on the front of the wish and then into the top of the mirror view glass where you looked out as the driver, and then
Did the vehicle overturn at any time?
flick overturn on the front of the TIDA and then overturn 3 to 4 times and occur on the wall and then explode.
We are here live on the scene where a 10-story building is being burned to ashes. The 10-story building right behind me. The police is here, but the fire truck cannot be found, folks. Who will save these people? Will it be a bird? Is it a plane? Oh no! Oh yes! It's Superman! Superman is here to save these people. Clap him. Let's see what will happen.
Women all around the world at this time are rejoicing. A Chinese manufacturer is said to develop a product that has eradicated cheating among men by 100%. A model is in our studio at this time to demonstrate how the product works.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.